Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. On the pixel app, select the shape button, adjust the shape, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the res color, enable button on, copy the shape, select the copy option, save the shape, adjust the save, confirmation, click the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, then select another picture, adjust the picture, save the picture, select the save option, change the color, select the color option, and button down, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.